York, and southern Vermont. For tonight,
National Weather
please
Service
listen to NOAA weather radio or go
Thunderstorm
to
warning for northern
GOV.
Royal County in northwest Vermont, southern Grand Isle County in northwest Vermont, northeastern Essex County in northern New York, southeastern Clinton County in northern New York, northern County in northwest Vermont, southern Franklin County in northwest Vermont until 7:45 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing
The
1 inch
National
diameter.
Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Memorial County in northwest Vermont, southern Grand Isle County in northwest Vermont, northeastern Essex County in northern New York, southeastern Clinton County in northern New York, northern Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, southern Franklin County in northwest Vermont, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour moving over the northern waters of Lake Champlain and into northern Vermont. Locations in the warning include, but they're not limited to, Westford, Cambridge, Jeffersonville, Johnson, Eaton. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting the storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Wind may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for northern New York and Vermont. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Essex County, New York. The severe thunderstorm warning